out on the dusty circuit, where the spotlights burn like noon, rides a legend made of muscle, mane, and sweet perfume. They call her the Gray Mare, riding wild. Ain't no filly boy, she's thunder, not mild. She comes from Madison, Midwest born and raised. Green eyes true, hair flowing and praise. She's a lean one, that's for sure. With a tat on her neck, she's ready for war. She don't break, she controls the rope. Stampedes through anyone, even the Pope. If she had to get what she wanted, Gray Mare charges her stomp and keeps you haunted. Oh, the Gray Mare, she's a devil in the ring tonight. Black hair waving, body charging, daring you to fight. She'll pin your soul between her shoulder and the buckle, make you wish you were at home chewing honeysuckle. Treat her wrong and she'll buck you broken, leave you on the canvas. But if you earn her wicked smile, hell, that just might hurt worse. She struts into the arena like a gunslinger seeking prey, wrestling boots clicking, eyes worn from the wars of yesterday. She'll lock you in a mare snare until you're sleeping tight. She's got that 200 horsepower mind. She's a devil in the ring tonight. Black hair waving, body charging, daring you to fight. She'll pin your soul between her shoulder and the buckle, make you wish you were at home chewing honeysuckle. Treat her wrong and she'll buck you broken, leave you on the canvas. But if you earn her wicked smile, hell, that just might hurt worse. So tip your hat when you see her coming, silver gray and fierce and free. The Gray Mare rides eternal in the pro wrestling by the sea. Don't try to break her spirit, son, she'll only break you first and leave you dreaming of what could have been. Yeah, that aches much worse. Now get, before she spots you staring, the Gray Mare, don't ask twice.